In the journey of life, success is not a destination but a relentless pursuit. As the legendary motivational speaker Zig Ziglar once said, "There is no elevator to success, you have to take the stairs." Hard work is the cornerstone of this journey. It's about waking up each day with a purpose, as Les Brown inspires us, saying, "You have greatness within you." Remember, greatness is not a gift, but a choice to push beyond your limits, to turn every setback into a setup for a comeback. Embrace the grind. Remember the words of Eric Thomas, "When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful." Let this hunger for success be your guide, your relentless drive. It's in the moments when you're tested, when you feel like giving up, that your story truly begins. But hard work alone is not the key. As Tony Robbins points out, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Be clear about what you want to achieve. Set your goals high and don't stop until you get there. And when you reach those heights, set the bar even higher. Stay positive. As Norman Vincent Peale taught us, change your thoughts and you change your world. Your attitude is a small thing that makes a big difference. Approach each day with optimism and a can-do spirit. Be a beacon of positivity in a world that often dwells in negativity. Connect with others. As Simon Sinek reminds us, leadership is not about being in charge. It is about taking care of those in your charge. Success is not just about personal achievement but also about lifting others as you climb. Share your knowledge, inspire others, and build a community of like-minded individuals. Finally, never stop learning. As Jim Rohn elegantly put it, formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. Invest in yourself, in your skills, and in your mind. Knowledge is the fuel for your journey to success. In the end, remember that success is not just about reaching your goals, but about the journey you undertake to get there. It's about the hard work, the failures turned into lessons, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. As you embark on this path, carry these words in your heart and let them guide you to your own unique version of success.